10 Crazy Facts About India. Chess was invented in India. From India, the game spread to Persia. When the Arabs conquered Persia, chess was taken up by the Muslim world and subsequently spread to southern Europe. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus are studies which originated in India. The place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. India has the largest postal network in the world with 155,618 post offices and over 566,000 employees. The largest employer in India is the Indian Railways, employing over 1 million people. 11,000 trains are operated every day in India. 71,000 miles of tracks make up Indian Railways. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2,500 years ago. The practice of yoga was started during the Indus-Saraswati civilization in northern India over 5,000 years ago. It was first mentioned in Rig Veda, a collection of texts that consisted of rituals, mantras, and songs which was mainly used by Brahmins, the Vedic priests. Written evidence of martial arts in southern India dates back to the Sangam literature of about the 2nd century BC to the 2nd century AD. Islam is India's and the world's second largest religion. It makes India the country with the largest Muslim population outside Muslim majority countries. India is the largest democracy in the world, the 7th largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilizations. The Indian subcontinent is the birthplace of 4 of the world's major religions, namely Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, are followed by 25% of the world's population.